Alright, couple things to say about the Plastikov version 4. Pretty cool build, I do like it a lot. Main thing I don't like, safety, that's fire, that's safe. So you have it on safe, you want to fire, you have to pull this back, which is not very comfortable. An AR goes from safe to fire. So you're used to kind of like pushing it. If he could reverse that, that'd be great. Or I could figure out how to do it on Tinkercad. And then, only other gripe is that it cracks kind of easily. This is from over tightening the screws. And that one is from, I don't even know. This one definitely happened from firing it. I haven't fired that receiver, but I had this one. And it was great until after like 200 rounds, this started, or that got a crack, right? Yeah, basically identical to this one. That crack is my fault from over tightening it. I never shot this one. So what I've done is add a couple cylinders, if you can see that, to kind of reinforce the places where it likes to crack. There's another one right there. It's still cracked, just the tiniest bit right there from tightening this screw right here. Let's see. Yeah, and for this, I guess my printer's not very dialed in. I had to scale it up by 100.3%. And so far it's pretty good. I'm waiting to shoot this receiver. I have a feeling it'll be fine. Especially with the reinforcement right here. So I feel like if Ivan could just make this whole thing thicker, it doesn't need to be that streamlined. It's just really thin right here. The other side seems to be fine, it never cracks. Those are repairs I've done because I was still shooting it. So yeah, here's just a stock I printed in PLA. I didn't feel like doing anything too complicated.